Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create or design a pizza box in SolidWorks by using sheet metal tab. So keep watching this video till end.
Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification.
Let's start. First of all, click on this new button and then select part. Now click on this front plane and select sketch. Now draw a rectangle and start it from origin. Press escape button. Select both of these lines and make their relation equal. Now define the length by using smart dimensions 215. Now go to sheet metal tab. If there is no sheet metal tab on your computer, just right click here and then click sheet metal. So in sheet metal, select base flange tab command. Type here thickness, which is 2 mm, and press OK button. Now select this command edge flange and select this lower edge. Now click on upside. One by one select all the edges. From left side, scroll down and type here the length, which is 40 mm, and press OK button. Now select hem command and then select this edge and this edge. From here, reverse the direction. Type the length, which is 35 mm, and press space button, then select this view orientation. Distance is 3 mm or 4 mm. Press OK button. Now click on this face and then select sketch, make normal to, and draw a sketch. Change the shade. Start the sketch from this line. Click on this line and make it vertical. Now press and hold Ctrl key from your keyboard and select both of these lines. Make their relation equal and collinear. Now define the distance from this line to this line. It is 6 mm. Now go to Features tab and select Extruded Cut command. Cut it up to 3 mm. Or 2 mm. Press OK button. Now change the shade again and select this face, then sketch on it. Now expand this option, cut extrude 1 and select the sketch. Press this button, convert entities. Now go to Features tab and again select Extruded Cut. Extrusion thickness is 2 mm and press OK button. Now go to Sheet Metal tab and again select Edge Flange. Select this edge in this direction. and also select this edge, this edge and this edge. Length is 30 millimeter. Press OK button to apply this command. Now select hem command and then select this edge. Change the direction from here. Length is 35 millimeter and type is closed. Press OK button. Again select edge flange command and this time select this edge in this direction. Degree is 60 and length is 210 millimeter. Press OK button. Once again select edge flange command, then select this edge in this direction, also select this edge and then this edge, and the length is 30 millimeter. Now press OK button to apply this command. Now once again select hem command from here and then select this edge and this edge. Distance is 25 millimeter and width is 3 millimeter. Change the direction from here and press OK button. Now click on this face and then select sketch. Make normal to and draw another sketch by using line command. Start the line from this line. Up to this line. Now close the sketch. Press escape button and select both of these lines. Make their relation equal and collinear. Now define the distance from this line to this line, which is also 6 millimeter, and this distance is also 6 millimeter. Or instead of 6, type here 8 millimeter. Now change the shade once again. Go to Features tab and select Extruded Cut command. Cut it up to 2 millimeter and press OK button. Now go to Sheet Metal tab and select Edge Flange command again. Select this edge in this direction and also select this edge in this direction. Length is 20 millimeter. Press OK button. So it shows an error that our part is intersecting itself. So let's see what's wrong. This edge flange or this band is intersecting with this hem. So click on this hem 3 and edit it. Increase the distance from 3 to 4 millimeter and press OK button. So almost our pizza box has been ready. Now we have to change its material or appearance. So for that, in the left side, just below the equations, right click on material and then select edit material. From here scroll down and then select wood. Select pine press apply button and then close. Now we have to paste the pizza manufacturer logo on all of these faces. So for that, go to this button and click on it, unfold, select this face and then press this button, collect all bands. Press OK button. Now click on this button appearance and then drop down these decals options and then logos. Click and drag any logo to this face. From left side, click on this button browse. Then import your file that you want to paste on these faces. Now go to mapping from here and then increase the size. Press OK button. Similarly for this face, drop any logo on this face and then from left side browse that picture. From mapping, increase the size. Now press OK button and then click on this button fold. Now click here, collect all bands and press OK button. So this is how we have to create a pizza box in SolidWorks. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Or if you want me to make a special tutorials for you, please comment below or text me on my Facebook page. A link to my Facebook page is written in the description of this video. Thanks for watching and sparing time.